This is a New Englander pellet stove, and one of the most common problems with the motor is usually this top motor. This is the bottom motor, runs continuously as if running the bottom auger. The top motor is the one that's constantly stopping and starting according to your timer. So this problem is sometimes this motor jams up. And another thing that happens is there's an Allen screw. Actually, I have an older motor here on the shaft. Sometimes it's a flat part of the shaft. There's an Allen nut right back there, and sometimes if that loosens up, it'll spin on the shaft. So to remove this motor, the wire ties have already been cut. Use high temp wire ties. You can get those at Home Depot. And then after you undo this Allen nut, this thing will just slide out, and you just put another one back in, these simple contacts. But it's almost always the top motor. Another problem that it has is if the blower doesn't seem like it's blowing out a lot of cold air. Just to the right, on the right side, is a screen filter on this blower. It's a little hard to get at. You might have to take the blower out unless you can get in here sideways. There's 4 screws. But that happened to me. Let's see if I can just get a little bit of view. That screen, that was all clogged up on mine, and so I wasn't getting any air out of that. And other than that, that's worked pretty good. Another problem I've had is this motor here. This is the vent intake. I had that motor making noise. I just took it apart and oiled it and added some grease to it. But every once in a while these should be blown out with a blower, things like that. But the exhaust doesn't really get this doesn't really get much ash buildup. All the ash just goes outside. And that's pretty much it. It's very easy to repair. This motor was, I think, about $75 online. And if your blower's not working, there's 2 wires right here. These 2 wires right here to the blower. I would just try to put some 120 AC to that and see if it's not the circuit board. Just direct that, because this is a 120 volt blower. And then if it kicks on, then there's something wrong with the probably the thermostat. There's a thermostat that kicks this on, and I think at about 180 degrees. So. But these are pretty durable blower motors. Should be nothing going wrong with those. And have fun.